ValleyStar at Martinsville. Guess what's playing on the big screen? Vlog. Tune into FloRacing. Alright, y'all. I made it in the Camaro. Going for my first laps with Butter. I'm terrified.
She'll be alright. We're going to let her eat. I got to get her in the right gear.
We got Kevin and Carter Langley behind us. We gotta stay in front of him. We're warming up our tires. This is crazy! Holy shit!
Are you scared?
This is the true test of our relationship. This is crazy.
We're only going 75. You'll be alright.
How fast do you go in the race car?
125.
Oh, sure.
Get you right up on the wall.
Oh my god. Good morning, friends.
It is currently
Oh, dark 30.
6:38. We've been here since 5. We're in the infield waiting to park. Got our pit stall for this weekend. We're on pit road here. You see, my crew chief got us a good pit stall selection for practice, so I can leave the stall and beat them off pit road. It's going to be a long day. We qualify tonight after 4 hours of practice, and looking forward to it. Up a day here at the Paperclip. Practice went well. We were P5 in practice. Last run of the day, I clipped the curb. Made my guys have to work really hard to fix some bent toe and some other stuff. Got it straight just in time for qualifying. Qualified P7, my best qualifying effort. New coming in here with an LPP car. We're gonna have good speed and good shot, and we're gonna have a good start spot for the heat race, and hopefully we just make it in. You know, we got to make it through the heat race. We're not locked in yet, but definitely feels good to start up front. And like I said, I wish I could have got a little more out of it in qualifying, but still a solid effort from this 03 bestrepair.net Toyota.
Currently rained out today on Saturday at a brewery. Nicole's getting ready to lose in jingle right here. Let me blow on it like I'm the wind. Go on and knock it over, Nicole. There it goes. Bold strategy. Whoa, whoa, how about that? Waiting on her to make a move. Are you the filmer? It'd be nice if you'd make the move today.
I'm trying. I don't want to lose again.
She's already lost the first game. Oh, look at that. Wow, went to the top.
Let's see what you got, Brenden. Meanwhile, we got Corey and Hunter and John playing some stuff. Let's see it, Hunter. Post-race interview, you know, Tower fell. What happened?
Took the top points.
It's called being strategic, very clean. That's not part of the rule.
Jenga.
Can I make other rules?
Jenga, sponsor us, please. Thank you. We'd like to keep going the race car. Thank you.
Here we are, day 3 of the 3-day event here at Martinsville. That car doing a little work session. It is race day though. Clear skies. Looks like we're gonna finally get some racing in today. We're starting second in heat race 3. Just need to get in the show to have a shot. So hopefully here in a little bit I'll be a lot less stressed once we make the race. But until then, you're antsy, just ready to get it going. I hate waiting for these heat races. I'm just ready to go, get it done. Had a good day yesterday, had some fun during the rain. You know, the rain out, we went and did some stuff around Danville, since Martinsville is kind of empty. And I don't know, this bestrepair.net Toyota's ready to go. Get us a clock tonight.
Inside row number 1, Brenden Queen outside row 1 as we get set. 25 laps, that's the distance for qualifying race number 2. Who's gonna make the big one? In qualifying race 3, we're gonna find out. Green flag is out. The ValleyStar Credit Union 300 qualifying races roll on. We're side by side all the way through the field.
This is almost a carbon copy of what we saw at Dominion Raceway in June when Butterbean and Carson Quapple were door to door for the win there. They'll start off this race 1 and 2.
Man, had a shot at the win and felt like we were second place car trying to win that heat. We're close to the 8, but need a little bit more. But hey, we're in it. Thank you. We'll start 7, so gotta be in it.
Look at that. Look at that up there. That's the Goodyear vlog. Look, I made it.
Brenden Queen.
Nice mullet. nice shirt, nice mullet.
Now, it's time for the big show and the grandfather clock. Here comes Bobby McCarty and Doug Barnes through corner number 4, and Brandon Willard and team wave the green flag. The ValleyStar Credit Union 300 is underway. The yellow flag here at lap 100. Stage 1 is done, and of course the winner. The green flag has come out. We're racing once more here in Martinsville, Virginia.
Tell me about the race.
We're here with our P2 triple crown check. We came up short, obviously. As you can read, it's like a weather report. It's coming in from the north, going to the south. We didn't get it done tonight. And no, I'm just kidding.
Participation trophy.
I got my participation trophy. We just missed it a little bit. We stayed in the top 10 all night, finished in the top 10, but guy we needed to beat won the race. Congratulations, Trevor. And happy for him and Rayvon and all those guys, but it definitely stings. But that's it from the paperclip this year. We'll be back next year ready to get us a clock.